What if your earbuds could do more than just play music? What if they could translate languages in real time, deliver studio-quality sound, and still let the world in around you? Meet the all-new Soundcore C50i, Anker's smartest open-ear earbuds yet. Redefining what open-ear listening can be, the Soundcore C50i brings a brand new flexible open ring design, lightweight, secure, and shaped to feel like it's barely there. Crafted with memory titanium for a perfect contour to your ear, each C-shaped frame weighs only 5.5 grams, so you can move, work, and play all day in total comfort. Unlike traditional in-ear buds, the C50i's open design keeps you aware of your surroundings, ideal for runners, commuters, and multitaskers who never want to miss a beat or a conversation. It's comfort and awareness without compromise. Inside, 12mm drivers deliver a wider soundstage and richer bass, tuned precisely for open-ear acoustics. And now with LDA support, you'll experience high-resolution audio with 3 times more detail than standard Bluetooth. Plus, with Bluetooth 6.0 and multipoint connection, you can seamlessly switch between your devices, from your phone to your laptop, without missing a single note. The C50i also introduces live translation, supporting up to 100 languages in real time. Whether you're traveling, learning, or connecting globally, the world just got a lot closer. And for calls, AI-enhanced noise reduction ensures your voice stays crisp and clear, even in the busiest environments. With an upgraded IP55 rating, the C50i resists both dust and water, perfect for workouts and unpredictable weather. And when it's time to recharge, you'll get 7 hours of listening on a single charge and up to 28 hours with the case, all powered by a simple USB-C connection. Here's the surprise. Despite all the upgrades, the Soundcore C50i comes in at just $69.99 or $55.99 for Prime members during launch. Smarter, lighter, and bolder, the Soundcore C50i is designed for those who live connected. Experience freedom, clarity, and intelligence in every note. The Soundcore C50i. Hear the world your way.